Let's take a look at Mobile Superhero for Android. The user will receive an SMS with a URL and authorization code. Open the SMS message and click the URL. Now select Android smartphone from the list. Click Download via Google Play to download the application. Click the Install button to begin the installation. Click Accept and Download, and Mobile Superhero will begin to install on the device. Once the application is installed, click the Open button. Accept the terms and conditions and click the Activate button. Once the application has been activated, click the Modify PIN button. Enter a new PIN and confirm it. When finished, click the Done button. Next, enter your email address and choose a password. These credentials will be used to log in to the Mobile Superhero Online Vault. Enter the authorization code that was received in the SMS message. Click the Register button when finished. Now Mobile Superhero has been completely activated and registered. This is the main screen of Mobile Superhero. Click the Anti-Malware button to see anti-malware features. Click Scan Now to scan the applications on your device for potential malware threats. Click Permissions to view the permissions of each application. Select a device feature to see which applications have access to the selected feature. These are the apps that can use the device camera. Here we can see applications that have access to the device location. The scan log shows a list of all of the scans that have been run and the results. Let's take a look at the settings. Notification settings change what notifications are shown. Schedule update settings change when malware definition updates occur. Wi-Fi settings change what notification alerts are shown. Unsecured Wi-Fi network safe list displays previously saved safe networks. The About setting shows information about the application and support. Let's now take a look at the anti-theft features. Click the Anti-Theft button and enter your 4-digit PIN. When finished, click Enter. Here are the call settings. The Calls Dialed lock locks the device if, for example, 3 of the previous 5 calls were made to numbers not in the contacts list. The International Dial lock locks the device when calls are made to countries not in the safe list. You can add countries to the safe list by selecting them and clicking Confirm. Let's now take a look at SIM settings. Roaming lock locks the device when it picks up a roaming network. SIM change lock locks the device when the SIM card is changed. The other settings are the advanced settings. Offline lock locks the device when the device loses internet connectivity. Inactivity lock locks the device when it is inactive for the number of minutes selected by the user. The 4-digit PIN can also be changed from the advanced settings. Click Apply Changes to save the changes made. Clicking Exit will prompt the user to save the changes. Let's now look at locking the device from the vault. This information screen is displayed during the picture capture. This screen indicates to the thief or finder that the device has been locked. This screen indicates to the thief or finder that the picture has been captured. This screen tells the finder how to return the device. Touch the screen to see the options available. The owner can click the Unlock button to unlock the device. The owner must enter their 4-digit PIN number and click the Enter button. Now let's take a look at the Report Found process. Once the device is in the locked state, as previously shown, the finder can click the Report Found button. A call will be placed to the call center where the finder can leave information and help return the lost or stolen device. Thanks for checking out Mobile Superhero.